Hello favorites, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gladys Yeso. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you join the favorite club. On today's video, I'll be making red velvet cake, and I'll be giving you a simple tutorial on how to make the yummiest red velvet cake. I hope you enjoy. Ingredients: I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, I have sugar, I have vinegar, I have vanilla essence, I had food color, red food color to give it the red color, I have milk, baking powder, then I have cocoa. First of all, I'll start by mixing my dry ingredients, which are flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Then I'll sieve the dry ingredients together. And the purpose of sieving the dry ingredients is to remove any lumps, in case there are any lumps, and also to introduce air. And favorites, please will pardon me, there is a lot of noise in the background. Sorry. This is the lumps I was talking about. So it's very important to sieve your flour or your dry ingredients before you add in the wet ingredients. I'll stir and set aside. 4 eggs. Put it in a mixing bowl. I'll stir using a whisk, but if you have a mixer, the better. It will make your work easier. When you don't beat your eggs so well, you will have a heavy cake. Make sure your cake is well beaten so that your end result is a spongy and soft cake. How to know when your egg is ready? It will start to form like so. I'll add 1 cup of sugar. And if you are keen, the same cup I've used to measure the flour, it's the same cup that I'm using to measure the sugar. You must be keen with your measurements. I'll mix until the sugar dissolves into the egg mixture. Is well dissolved. I'll add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Then I mix. Cooking oil is well mixed. I will add 1 cup of milk. I'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Then mix. I'll add 1 tablespoon of food color, red food color, nice red color. I'll also add a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. And the purpose of adding vinegar is for the red color to pop. But don't add too much vinegar because it will make your cake to be bitter. My wet ingredients are ready. And when mixing, you don't mix all of the dry ingredients at once. You mix them in batches. Then I add the next batch. Fold it in nicely and with a loose hand. When it's well mixed, I'll add my last batch. This is the consistency I was looking for. not too light and not too heavy. My cake batter is ready. I'll set aside and prepare the baking tin. I will link a video up here. Please click it and watch if you haven't watched it. I demonstrated how to prepare the baking tin so well. Please make sure you watch it. My baking tin is ready. I've prepared it. I'll pour in the cake batter. Make sure your baking tin is bigger than your cake batter. When you pour in the cake batter, it should be half. I already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So I'll start baking, and I'll bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, my cake is ready. That has been it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye. Love you.